In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on HeroFX. Now, once you are inside your account dashboard, you want to click on the Create Account under Open a Demo Account over here in the Accounts tab. And when you click on that, it's going to give you a few different options that you have over here. Now, of course, you can just select the one that you want. I'm going to go ahead and select this Trade Locker one, but there's a bunch of different demo accounts you can create, such as the MT5 account, and then, of course, you have the Trade Locker account as well. So you can select whichever one you want. For this, I'm just gonna go ahead and select this Trade Locker Demo Raw, and I'm gonna click on Create Account, and then I'm gonna agree and click on Create Account again. And what this is gonna do here, as you can see, it's gonna say Account created successfully. After this, go to the Accounts tab, and then in here, you should be able to see your new account. There we go. It's down here at the bottom. Now, to do this, you can then just click on the View button here. And in case you don't know the password, click on Change over here. And then inside the change, you can set your new password. So I'm just going to basically reset the password. There we go. And then you want to click on Change Password. In case you don't know it, that's a good thing to do. And then you want to click on the Trade tab over here. This is going to take you to a tab which says Start Trading. Just click on Start Trading, and it's going to take you to Trade Locker, which is basically their platform where you can go ahead and trade. Now, here you want to switch to Demo up top, so it goes to demo.tradelocker.com. And this is where you didn't have to basically type in your login credentials, such as your email, your password, which you just created. So I'm just going to basically type it in. There we go. And then the server is going to be HeroFX, as it says over here. You want to click on Login. There we go, it's going to start loading, and okay, I'm currently now in my paper trading demo account on Trade Locker with my HeroFX account, and as you can see here, I can go ahead and start trading. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.